Hello, my name is Bill Phillips and I am the Chief Commercial Officer at Terumo Neuro. I'm excited to be at SNIS in Nashville this year to meet with our North America customers. In May, we launched our Sophia 88 catheter in the United States, and we're excited to be bringing this showcase to you at SNIS for all of our customers. Celebrating 15 years of the web, our proven simplicity for wide neck aneurysms, with proven safety and durability with more than 200 publications and 7 GCP studies. We're holding our Industry Insight Symposias on both Monday and Tuesday, and we look forward to seeing you at 1 o'clock and at 12:45 respectively. If you have time, come visit us at our booth and see our full ischemic and hemorrhagic portfolio, or you come to visit even our tech suite, as we look forward to engaging with you on each and every opportunity as it relates to what Terumo Neuro brings to the space. We are so excited to be continuing to partner with you to bring game-changing impact in patient care.